Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you begin the repair, make sure the mower's engine has cooled. Remove the wire and boot from the spark plug and turn off the fuel valve. Your next step is to use a socket and wrench to remove the bolt, nut, and washer to release the Roto-Stop control assembly. Flex the control arm to remove the assembly from the handle. Now remove the screws to separate the control case. Pull out the push knob and spring and detach the Roto-Stop cable from the case. Snip any zip ties securing the cable. Now carefully set the mower on its side. Be aware that some gasoline or engine oil may spill out. Rotate the blade or blades out of the way. Use pliers to help release the cable from the upper Roto-Stop assembly. And pull the old cable free of the deck. You're now ready to install the new Roto-Stop cable. Feed the cable through the deck. Be aware you will need to route the cable through the zip tie retainer hidden underneath the debris shield. Once the cable is properly routed, snap it into the retaining bracket and attach the end of the cable to the upper Roto-Stop assembly. Carefully set the mower upright. Insert the cable end into the Roto-Stop cable arm and secure it in the channel. Reposition the push knob and align the spring. Now join the two halves of the control case together and secure the case with the screws. Flex the control arm to align the assembly to the handle. Then use the socket and wrench to secure the bolt, nut, and washer. Use zip ties to secure the new Roto-Stop cable. You can now turn the fuel valve back on and reattach the spark plug wire and boot.